So if you're going to take attendance for all these classes together, then you click select all and then click on generate. If you're going to do only for specific classes, then select only those specific classes and click on generate. So when you generate is what you get the, is how when you get the attendance template. So for this case, let me just select all because I'm not sure how many classes have students. And I'm going to click on generate. So I generated. Please download the daily attendance template from here. So I click on daily attendance. So now you can see the count of students here. It's 1013 students. So we can take attendance for all the 1000 students together. Like you can just mark attendance for all the 1000 students together. And it's from different classes. So if you see, this is class A, then class B. I've just class D. So all the classes you have selected in the drop down appears here and you can take attendance for them. So just let me randomly take attendance for say class A, then class B, or test. These are the kids, right? So test 14, test 15, and class D. I go to absence reason. Say only one child has the reason, then I will just paste. Okay, rest I do not know because I did not follow up as a teacher. So I'll just save this, close, and choose file. So you can see daily attendance class. Okay, this has the class name is wrong here. This will be changed. Click open and I hit import. So once I've done that, it says file uploaded successfully. Please visit this page after some time for status. So I click OK. So now you can see over here, I just submitted daily attendance and the status is in progress. So this will take up to 5 to 6 minutes according to your Wi-Fi bandwidth. And once it's completed importing, then you will be able to see this status as completed and it will say remarks attendance import processed. In case if there are any errors, then you will be able to see the, like you can see over here. So when I submitted student data, I got error log. It says 58 error record. So when you come back to the page, you can meanwhile do the other things in the app, the other feature. You can use the other features in the app. And when you come back to this page after say 5 to 6 minutes, if it has errors, it will show you like this, like 158 error record. So when I click on it, so it will say file import completed with errors. Say OK, and we can download it. In case of there is no error, it will just tell you that no error records and the attendance import is processed. Any doubts, Sunny? It's very simple. It's just the same process which you were following before. The two additional features here is that you can submit attendance for multiple classes together at once, and also you can download the error logs from the logs here given below. So these are the two new features added for import. So this yes.
Is it the same with the monthly attendance?
Yes, it's the same. So I go to monthly attendance and I can select all. It's the same procedure, Honey.
Yeah.
Generate template, and you can just mark the attendance and submit it. So you will be able to see once you import, once it says successful, you will be able to see in progress. Only when it says completed, it means your import is completed successfully. If it does not say completed, please check what is the error log. I mean, if you see error logs here, error records here, please check what is that, and you will have to resubmit it. Do you get me, Honey? Like, do you have any questions here?
Yeah, it's okay.
I think, Claire, that is all. So this will be available in QA. Mahesh, our team going to test? I mean, are we going to let
Yeah,
Honey?
Honey, actually what we thought is like currently Akshay did a round of testing. If you want to experience this feature, right, probably Akshay will drop the URL and super admin credentials for you so that you can play around with this feature whenever you have some time. And the next steps from our end is we are planning to deploy this feature, prepare the packaging and deployment activities, and deploy it sometime early next week, Honey, so that once it is deployed in Yemen, you should be able to use it. Okay. So in the
Yes, okay.
meantime, if you have any feedback in the training environment or the test environment, feel free to share it with us so that we'll incorporate that issues or any suggestions that you have. Okay.